All right, so today is Friday, most likely the last day of the install. This morning we're gonna be doing the LED modules on the top of the cube. We're not doing the whole entire top, but leaving some space for some air to flow out, some heat to flow out. We're gonna get all these going, and then after this, then we'll jump down to the all the sides of the cube and touch everything up, make sure everything is perfectly aligned.
AO2, B2, AO2, yeah, these labels are correct.
Hi.
What's up?
How's the progress going?
It's good. I think they're just trying to figure out some cabling issue. But after that, I think it's really just messing with the modules, making them all smooth and flush, I guess.
All right.
Cool. Yeah, so we had no image on the top part of the cube. Swapped out the ribbon cables, that didn't resolve the issue. Swapped out power cords, that didn't resolve the issue. So he swapped out what they call a hub card. That ended up being the problem. Back to business, back to lining.
You getting worn out?
No, not really. Just looking at these LEDs for hours, you know, kind of messes with you.
Is this the hardest project you've ever worked on?
Nope. Dude, we did one with the floor, was a LED wall. We did 4 walls plus the floor. It was a stage for a band.
That sounds badass.
Oh, here, why don't you use this tool? It's easier.
Oh, there you go.
6 hours later, now you can finally get the tool.
Fancy
I would have
tool.
given it to you earlier, but I was using it.
Are you done with your corners?
That one and that one, I saw you work on that corner earlier, so I think so.
So when a panel got a bad pixel on it, or damaged or dead, we ship them overnight to Knoxville. And we have a guy down there who solders everything on the spot. And his return rate is in between 2 to 3 days. And then they get back here. Once he ships them back out, he usually overnights them back if it's an emergency. Other than that, it's usually FedEx ground, and they get back whenever that selected date is.
Last step.
What is it?
So we are gonna go through the cube and we're gonna find all the bad modules with either broken pixels or pixels that don't work. And we're gonna swap them out with all our spares. And then that's it.
And then you get to go home to hot as hell Texas. Sweaty ball sack Texas.
Yeah, sweaty balls. Just wake up in the morning and your balls are already sweaty.
How would you rate your experience doing this work?
Pretty good, pretty good. It's a good crew to work with. This is the second time we've done this, so we know what we're doing. You know, the organization's a lot better than the first time where you have to read the boxes and figure out what goes where. It's like
So it
anything.
took a week and a half the first time?
2 weeks.
2 weeks?
2 weeks in New York.
Damn.
But the work hours were a little more restricted. Here we could work the full 5 days and longer each day.
The food in New York, for the most part, sucks.
You have to install a new board?
Well, yeah, so like all these modules that are the spares, they don't come with these.
The bulk of the tiles have these flat backs, and they just click into place. The edge tiles have this special adapter, so you have to remove this and swap it with that.
Oops.
Did you write bad on a good one, or did
No,
you?
I wrote bad on the plate, thinking I
Plate
didn't have...
that you moved, yeah.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
why I
yeah.
don't write until after I do the swap.
Yeah.
It's missing 2 pixels.
Uh-oh.
It's completely missing. Look at, I mean, they're not just dead; they're physically missing.
Oh, man.
You can delete that.
Just take them from another panel, it's fine. Nope, this is a blooper out. This is an outtake. What's going on, Hirsch? Nope. I gotta follow you down.
First, you gotta say something so you can get on the YouTube.
Well, he's gonna be on there, regardless.
He is?
Because-
Good. He's gonna be on the bloopers?
Yeah. How many more of those do you have to do?
I think like 2 more.
I'm Ronnie Gunner, and I manage the exhibitions at Gagosian Gallery. SNA did the same install at Gagosian in New York. When we wanted to install it here, yeah, I got put in touch with y'all. It's kind of a no-brainer. It's really good. Yeah. It looks good. The professional workers, easy to work with, great experience.